how to deploy your Google AI Studio app on Google Cloud. Open up Google AI Studio, then you will find your app. So I'm just going to click on build your apps, and here find the app which you want to deploy. Open it up, and then from the right corner you will see deploy app. Once you click on deploy app, it is going to ask you to select a cloud project. You can create a new project, and we're just going to do that. I'm going to call it cloud test and create a project. Now, once your project has been created, I don't know why this is so slow, it is going to load, and we will just choose the project which we created, and this is going to be your Google Cloud project. You must enable billing for this project to proceed. Please refresh the dialog after setup to continue. So you will need to click on setup billing, and you will need to set up a billing account here for Google Cloud. So we're just going to wait for that. You will need to agree and continue. Then you will need to provide a payment method, and afterwards this is going to detect that you have set up your project, and you will just click on deploy app, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.